Hi guys, what's up? My name is Sandra Vitalini and I'm so glad to see you on my YouTube channel. And today we are going to draw a fashion illustration sketch. If you want, stay with me and let's go. And to start with, it is really important to draw a good figure of a model. If you want me to create a video where I will show you how to draw a figure, write in the comments. I really love this amazing pink look and I've decided to draw it. Oh, this is my favorite section, it's a face. I use a kneaded eraser. I've just started drawing a skin. The legs should be skinny. And to create the color of the skin, I've used a brown color and a white one. And the most crucial step is to draw a face. The color of the blues is bright rose. And the color of the jacket of an element of a suit is a pale rose. A little bit later we will draw shadows. This is essential to make an illustration more professional. While I'm drawing the jacket, I can't lose an opportunity to recommend you to follow my Instagram. The link you might find in the bio of the video. And if you follow, like and comment my photos, I will also like and comment your photos. Let's make friends. I really love drawing full lips and hollow cheeks. Our shoes look like zebra. I use a black pen to make the contour of a figure. And that's all, that's our result, and I hope that you love it. And if you draw the same illustration, you must post it in the Instagram and tag me and I will repost it. I have never learned to draw professionally, this is why this is my hobby. I will be really happy if you like this video and write a comment and follow my Instagram profile. Hope to see you soon. This was Sandra Vitalini. Kiss you.